Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wonders DevOps. I have seen many people learn DevOps courses through different courses or YouTube channel, but they are unable to practice real time and unable to crack the interviews because in the many interviews they are asking real time scenario questions. So what is the issue here? So if you learn DevOps course, it is not only theoretical. We have to learn practically. We have to apply our course knowledge into different scenarios to create infrastructure, create servers or automation, everything. But if you have not learned as per the roadmap, then it will be difficult to understand complete DevOps skills. So today let's discuss about one of the course provided by KodeKloud. So there is 100 days of DevOps in the KodeKloud. They are providing labs, free labs for 100 days, and there will be 100 tasks which we have to perform in the real time as per the task which they have provided. It is completely free for everyone without any eligibility criteria. So if you perform these 100 tasks in the 100 days, it will be easy to understand real time issues, real time scenarios, and also you can improve your knowledge on DevOps methodologies and DevOps skills. And also it will help for you to crack the interviews. So these particular 100 days of doing course is free for everyone provided by KodeKloud. They are going to provide the labs as well. We have to perform and apply the task which they have provided. So it contains starting from the Linux as per the DevOps roadmap. It will start with the Linux, then it will go for the version control, then it will be Docker containers, Jenkins CI/CD, and automations like Terraform infrastructure as a code, AWS cloud, everything will be included. Each and every task will be have unlock. We have to provide like once we have to completed one task, then after 24 hours only, it will unlock the second task. Like that, we have to perform. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to start this particular course. So please use the link which I have provided in description, and you will go to the KodeKloud login. You can sign up for free if you don't have KodeKloud account. If you have, you can directly use the same account. So I'm going to click on sign up for free. Continue with email, name. So I'm going to provide my email ID and password. Password you can set anything here, and then you have to log in, sign up. So sign up with email. So once we sign up, we have to use 100 days of DevOps course, and then we can perform the activities. So now I got the email. So I have to verify it first before proceeding further. So you have to check your mail. You will get mail for verification. You have to click on that link. I am doing from backend. So once it is done, then only we can start the 100 days of DevOps course. Okay. So I have verified and I have logged into my new account which I have created. Same like that you can create. So if you want to know about this particular Code Cloud Engineer, then you can play this particular video. So for now, I'm skipping this video as I know already and click on next. So it will ask for a personal information. If you want to provide, you can provide all the details. And also you can provide your LinkedIn URL. For now, I'm going to click on next. So you can provide your designation if you are working, otherwise you can skip it as well. Click on next. And this is the 100 days of DevOps. You can see here, you can, this is the one which I am going to perform. Click on selected already. I have selected this one. If you want to choose another one, you have to choose it. This one is for free. No need to subscribe anything. Click on done. Then it will go here. Your active practices, it will show. Here you have to, you can see your account, everything, and click on the start button. 100 days of DevOps. I am going to click on it. Currently it is showing one pending, one is unlocked, and I am going to click on start. So once it is started, we can start the activity Linux user setup. So the activity is we have to set up the Linux user in the lab which they have provided. So here there will be no guidance they are going to provide. We have to perform activity by using our own knowledge. So it will take time to load. So if you know Linux, then it will be easy to learn, easy to perform this activity, the particular task. If you don't know Linux, please comment in the comment section. I am going to make a video with a Linux end-to-end course and provide you. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe for more DevOps and cloud videos. In future, I am going to provide free course as well in the YouTube. So it will be complete end-to-end. Start with the Linux as per the DevOps roadmap. Linux, Git, version control tools, then CI/CD along with Docker containers, then infrastructure as a code and AWS cloud, everything. So it's completed. Now it is showing the task to accommodate the backup agent tool specification. The system admin team at Xfusion Corp Industries require the creation of a user with a non-interactive shell. That is a task. We have to create a user named Ravi with a non-interactive shell on App Server 1. So we have to create a user Ravi. It should be non-interactive shell and it should be in the App Server 1. This is the task they have provided. So if you know Linux commands, then it will be within 2 to 5 minutes we can complete the task. We have 1 hour time for this particular task. So how to log into the App Server 1? See here, note, you can find the infrastructure details by clicking on the details of all users and servers button on the top right section of the page. Click on details of all users and servers here. Then it will go for this one. What it is mentioned? App Server 1. This is the App Server 1. I am going to copy the IP address of App Server 1. The command to login SSH. The user is Tony. So the Tony at the rate public IP which we can connect. Click on enter. Then it will ask for yes or no. We have to use yes and password for Tony. So password they have given here. This is a password we can provide. Click on paste it here. Enter. Now it is logged in as a Tony user into the App Server 1. See, these two is complete. This one is completed. We have logged in. Now I am going to create a user Ravi with a non-interactive mode. So user add hyphen s. It should be non-interactive mode. Ravi is a username. has been no login. I don't want to login, so no login it should be, and I'm going to click on enter invalid shell. Okay, sorry. It should be shell first. Then Ravi. So cannot log etc forward. So we have to use sudo because as a normal user we cannot log in. We cannot create a user. So we have to use sudo power user root user it is. So I'm going to create we trust you. So it is asking for the password of tonym. So as a sudo I'm going to execute the command with the sudo permissions. That's why it is asking for the password of login logged in user. So I'm going to provide the password, enter. See, now the user should be created. Where can we validate the users? We can check cat etc passwd. So all the users data should be present in the password directory. See here, Ravi. Ravi is a user we have created. You can see here. If you want other way also you can validate by using grep Ravi etc password. See, this one is a user which we have created. That's it. So if you want to know about this command, I am going to provide, see here, by using history command. Once again, you can see these are the commands which I have used to create a user and validate whether it is existing or not. This is how we can complete the task. Once the task is completed, we can click on check and confirm. See, it is successfully completed and validated. Finishing up. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the challenge. That's it. So this is how we can perform the task and we can provide and submit it. And for next task, it will take 24 hours. See, your streak is just went up. Complete 5 tasks without any redo and get 50 coins. Like that. If you want to share, you can share it to the your LinkedIn or any social media. See, one is completed, pending. As of now, there is no pending, and one is unlocked. That one is total number of tasks that are currently unlocked. Ansible is different one, but in the 100 days of DevOps, you can see only one is completed. Another one, it will take time to unlock. As of now, only one is completed. Next again, I can come back tomorrow and perform second task as well. Like that, it will be 100 days, 100 tasks. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to provide another task by explanation the next day. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and watch my videos. Thank you.